In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add courses to your LinkedIn profile, whether you're showcasing new skills or updating your existing qualifications. Adding courses is a great way to highlight your learning journey to potential employers or connections. So let's dive right in and make sure your profile stands out. First things first, you'll need to log into your LinkedIn account. Now, if you're already logged in, fantastic. If not, take a moment to enter your credentials and get signed in. Once you're in, head over to your profile. You can do this by locating and clicking your profile icon, which is typically found on the top right corner of your LinkedIn homepage. A small drop-down menu will appear, from which you should select View Profile. This action will take you directly to your personal LinkedIn profile page, where all the magic happens. Now that you're on your profile, let's move on to adding your course details. Look for the Add Profile section button. It's usually prominently displayed and should be easy to find. Give it a click, and a menu with several options will unfold. Within this menu, focus your attention on the Recommended section. There should be a small arrow or a plus sign right next to it. Go ahead and click on this, and a list of additional options for enhancing your profile will appear. You'll want to look for the Add Courses option within this list. Once you spot it, click on it. This is where you'll be able to input specific information about the courses you've completed. Be prepared with details such as the name of the course and, importantly, what it is associated with, like a degree, certification program, or a particular skill you're developing. As you fill out this information, try to be as detailed as possible. The more context you can provide, the better your connections will understand the course's relevance and your commitment to continuous learning. Once you've entered all the necessary details, take a moment to review what you've written to ensure everything is accurate and well presented. Finally, satisfied with the information you've added? Great, it's time to make it official. Click that Save button, which will update your LinkedIn profile with your course information. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to enhance your LinkedIn presence by showcasing your educational achievements. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're able to use these steps to update and improve your LinkedIn profile. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video session. Until then, take care and keep learning.